Welcome to American English Dialogues Podcast, the podcast that helps you learn real, everyday English the way it's actually spoken in the United States. For every episode, we're going to listen to, study, and practice natural conversations between real people in real situations at work, at school, at the store, at the doctor's office, and everywhere in between. Here's the truth about learning a language. You learn it by hearing it, repeating it, and using it, not just by memorizing grammar rules. That's why this podcast is built around dialogues, short, powerful conversations that teach you vocabulary, pronunciation, tone, and culture all at the same time. Whether you're a beginner just starting your English journey or an intermediate learner looking to sound more natural and confident, this podcast is for you. So get comfortable. Grab a notebook if you like, and get ready to listen, learn, and speak. This is American English Dialogues Podcast. Let's begin. Chapter 7. Telephone and Digital Communication Dialogues. Key vocabulary. Study these 5 terms before reading the article and dialogue in this chapter. Asynchronous. Communication that does not happen in real time, allowing responses at different times, such as email or text messaging. Asynchronous communication like email allows learners to take their time composing a thoughtful response. Enunciate. To pronounce words clearly and distinctly, especially important when speaking on the phone. Because he was hard to hear, the receptionist asked the caller to please enunciate each word more carefully. Verification. The process of confirming that information is accurate, often done in professional phone or digital exchanges. Before processing the appointment, the receptionist asked for verification of the patient's date of birth. Netiquette. The rules of correct or polite behavior in online communication and digital environments. Writing emails in all capital letters violates basic netiquette because it appears as if you are shouting. Confirm. To make sure something is definite or agreed upon, especially in written or spoken follow-up. The assistant called to confirm the meeting time and location before sending the final invitation. Article. Technology has fundamentally transformed the landscape of human dialogue. Where conversations once took place exclusively face-to-face or by letter, 21st century communication spans phone calls, text messages, emails, video conferences, social media platforms, and instant messaging apps. For English language learners, each of these channels presents distinct linguistic challenges and opportunities. Phone conversations present a unique set of difficulties for learners. Without visual cues, facial expressions, gestures, lip reading, understanding a rapid native speaker becomes significantly harder. Additionally, phone interactions in professional settings often follow rigid scripts. Greetings, statement of purpose, request or information exchange, confirmation, and farewell. Learners who internalize these scripts gain enormous confidence when making or receiving calls in English. American phone etiquette includes several distinctive conventions. Callers typically identify themselves immediately. Hi, this is Sarah from Dr. Park's office. They state their purpose promptly, without lengthy preambles. If they need to put someone on hold, they ask permission first. May I put you on hold for just a moment? These conventions, though simple, signal professionalism and respect. Digital communication presents a different set of challenges. Emails must balance formality with conciseness, often demanding a more compressed version of professional dialogue conventions. Text messages and instant messages operate in an informal register that can include abbreviations, emojis, and incomplete sentences, a register that many learners find both liberating and confusing. Video conferencing has added another layer of complexity, blending the visual cues of in-person conversation with the technological challenges of digital platforms. Knowing when to speak, how to manage interruptions gracefully, and how to handle technical disruptions with composure are all dialogue skills specific to the digital age. Dialogue. Read and practice this dialogue with a partner, then analyze the language strategies it models. Making a doctor's appointment by phone. Receptionist. Good afternoon, West Side Medical Clinic. How may I help you? Patient, Elena. Hello, my name is Elena Santos. I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Kim if possible. Receptionist. Of course, Miss Santos. May I ask what the appointment is regarding? Elena. I've been having some back pain for about 2 weeks. It's nothing urgent, but I'd like to have it checked. Receptionist. Absolutely. Let me look at the schedule. Are you available on Thursday at 2 p.m. or Friday at 9 a.m.? Elena. Thursday at 2 works perfectly. Could you please confirm the address? I want to make sure I have the right location. Receptionist. Of course. We're at 4500 Maple Avenue, Suite 12. May I also verify your date of birth for our records? Elena. Sure. It's March 15th, 1988. Receptionist. Perfect. You're all set for Thursday, May 4th at 2 p.m. with Dr. Kim. Please bring your insurance card and arrive 10 minutes early. Elena. Thank you so much. I'll be there. Learning tips. 5 learning tips. 1. Practice common phone scripts aloud, appointments, customer service, inquiries, until you can deliver them fluently and confidently. 2. Prepare key phrases for difficult phone moments. Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little more slowly? And let me confirm, you said. 3. Master professional email formulas. Subject line, opening greeting, body purpose, call to action, and closing. 4. Study digital netiquette rules, response time expectations, appropriate use of emojis, and CC/reply all conventions. 5. Practice typing your thoughts quickly and clearly. Speed and clarity in digital communication are professional assets. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is also learning English. And if you have a question, a word you didn't understand, or a topic you'd like us to cover in a future episode, we want to hear from you. Remember, learning a language is not a race. It's a journey. And every single episode you listen to, every dialogue you study, every new word you use, that's a step forward. You are making progress. Keep going. This has been American English Dialogues Podcast. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you, or rather, we'll talk to you in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep speaking. Goodbye for now.